serving the state in Congress since 1971. He's a founding member of the Congressional Black Caucus, and it's incredibly important and powerful to have the African American community, African American leadership, standing with the Latino community, standing with the Asian community, and standing with everybody else, saying that this is an issue that we need to resolve. This is a system that needs to be fixed, and this is a country that deserves a 21st century immigration process. Congressman Rangel, thank you.
Thank you. Next time you have a meeting, ask someone to get you a room with chairs, please. That can be arranged. I was going to talk about the moral significance of keeping families together. I was prepared to go into St. Matthew's. I was prepared to talk about the vulnerable in our society and why we have to reach out. I was prepared to do it because in my community they're talking so much about same-sex marriage. I think that St. Matthew's was just dropped off the agenda. But then I saw Jim Wallace here, and I cannot just talk myself into hell this morning because of the absence of the church and the synagogues. And so, like Sheila Jackson Lee, I'd rather just talk as a patriot to say what happens to this great nation if we allow a handful of prejudiced people to destroy the fabric of this nation with a contract, a legal contract that has been made, inviting people to come to this country to work. Because no matter what type of law you're talking about, statutory, common law, or just ethics, when people come to this country and expect to work and they do get jobs, that is an invitation. It is a constructive invitation. And people come here to work as generations have done before. The industries that depend on migrant workers are so silent when they know that the hotel industry, the entertainment industry, the landscape, the agriculture, all of these things do make a difference, including the construction industry. And so I think what we have to do really as Americans, please don't let a handful of Americans that have drank everything out of the well of enjoying democracy, don't let them poison the well for those people that follow them. We know their body language, but now they are just so brazen in saying what you have to do now, a standard that they never had for their mothers, their grandmothers, and their grandparents. I don't know whether the complexion of our new Americans make any difference to them. But if we're going to maintain the leadership, and I'm now talking about the moral leadership that this great country has established, we have to broaden our base and to let people know it is selfish for them to enjoy all that this great country has and to deny it to those who work so hard to become citizens. Thank you.